Have you heard about the keto diet? It's been gaining popularity in recent years as a way to lose weight and improve health. The keto diet, also known as the ketogenic diet, is a low-carbohydrate, high-fat diet that aims to put your body in a state of ketosis, where it burns fat for energy instead of carbohydrates. In this video, we will discuss the pros and cons of the keto diet and whether or not it's right for you. Let's talk about the benefits of the keto diet. One of the main benefits is weight loss. When the body enters ketosis, it produces ketones, which are molecules that can suppress appetite and increase fat burning. Additionally, the keto diet may improve blood sugar control and insulin sensitivity by reducing the intake of carbohydrates, which are broken down into glucose in the body. The keto diet is also an effective treatment for type 2 diabetes, helping to reduce blood sugar levels and improve overall glycemic control. Finally, the keto diet may reduce the risk of certain diseases such as heart disease, cancer, and Alzheimer's. Now let's discuss the cons of the keto diet. One of the biggest drawbacks is that it can be difficult to stick to long-term. The diet is very restrictive and limits the intake of many foods that people enjoy, such as breads and fruits. This can make it difficult to get all the nutrients your body needs and can lead to a feeling of deprivation, which can increase the risk of binge eating or disordered eating behaviors. Additionally, some people may experience side effects when starting the keto diet, such as headaches, fatigue, and constipation. These side effects occur because the body is adjusting to using fats for energy instead of carbohydrates, which takes some time. Finally, the keto diet can be high in saturated fats, which is a type of fat associated with the risk of heart disease when consumed in excess. While the keto diet may improve blood lipid levels in the short term, it is important to make sure you are getting enough healthy fats and not relying too heavily on saturated fat sources like butter and meat. So, should you try the keto diet? Ultimately, it depends on your individual needs and preferences. If you are looking to lose weight and improve your blood sugar control, the keto diet can be worth a try. However, if you are not willing to give up certain foods and are concerned about the potential side effects and sustainability, then it may not be the best choice for you. Remember, it's important to weigh the pros and cons and make sure you are getting all the nutrients your body needs, no matter what diet you choose. Personally, I believe that you should choose diets that you can follow for the whole life. It should not be seen as a temporary few months diet. So, try and choose properly and live healthy. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative content. Stay healthy and see you next time.